camera.
Want to say hi?
All right, back up, Pink Lightning.
Tell us your name.
I'm Sophie.
And who are you?
Mia.
Hi, Mia. And there's Henry.
Good
Hey,
kick,
it's
Hannah.
your daughter.
Good job.
No, no, no.
Go, good job. Go after it. Go, good hustle. Keep going, press it. Cut it off, go get the ball. There you go, good kick. Nice job, kick it again. Go up there and get it, don't back off. That's right. Go, Jayla, good hustle. Kick it again, keep going, Jayla. Open up the field on him, speed. Whoa. Cut him off. Don't run back.
There you go, Jayla. Hustle.
That's the way.
Ashley, get it, get it.
Go, 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 go. She's got speed, too. Speed. One more kick. She can do it. Kick it in there. Wow.
Good job, guys.
Go on, Mia. Kick it hard. Kick it hard. Good job.
Izzy.
Come on, Ashley. Go up there and get it.
There you go. Kick it hard.
Good, Izzy. Good.
Keep going. Come on, Soph.
Go. Go help her
Go,
out.
go. Go help her. Give it a kick. Yay!
Come back. Let's go.
Good job, Sophie. Nice goal. All right, guys. Very good. You like a what?
I like an animal. I like them too, my own. Just wait a second.
Okay. Is everybody having a good time today?
Who's having a good time here?
Hands up. Who's having a good time?
Me.
Okay.
I have that.
You
I
have
scored a
that?
goal over myself. So me.
All right.
Except mine's not golden and you're shiny.
Back up. Sophie, back up.
Amy, throw it down the line.
Look for the ball.
Down the line.
This way. This way, Amy.
Look the ball, Pink Lightning.
I don't want to be called in for a little while. I don't want to be called in for a little while.
Okay.
All right, let's go, Pink Lightning.
Is your mom crushing
Izzy.
your head?
Izzy, let's go. This
Crushing
way.
your head?
Ashley,
What?
around outside the circle. Good job, Pink Lightning.